They use emotions as weapons, but silence becomes your shield. Narcissists fear what they can't. Control and quiet power is uncontrollable. No reaction is a strong reaction. It breaks their emotional supply. When you stay calm, they feel powerless, because chaos is their playground. Here are 7 silent habits of strength that shift the psychological balance. 1. Master the art of no response. Your silence speaks louder than words.
They expect arguments and defense, but calmness creates confusion.
2. Speak less, reveal less mystery. Builds emotional boundaries. The less they know, the less they control. Privacy is psychological strength. 3. Set boundaries without drama. A simple no is powerful. Boundaries are respect for yourself, not punishment for others. 4. Detach emotionally, not physically. Energy control is emotional freedom. You can stay present, yet unshaken detachment protects mental peace. 5. Control facial expressions. Neutrality creates psychological uncertainty. They search for emotional clues but find nothing to manipulate. 6. Focus on self-improvement. Silently, results speak louder than explanations. Growth is the best form of revenge. Success removes their influence. 7. Walk away without arguments. Distance is sometimes the strongest answer. Not every battle needs energy. Peace is greater than warning arguments. Narcissists fear losing control, and silence takes that control away. Emotional mastery is quiet strength, not loud confrontation. Your calmness becomes your power. Your stability becomes your defense. They cannot manipulate what they cannot shake, and a strong mind is unshakable. Quiet power always wins because control belongs to you. Self-respect is silent strength, not loud arguments. Emotional independence is power. Dependence invites manipulation. Control reactions, control outcomes. Emotions shape decisions. Narcissists fear loss of attention. Silence removes their fuel. No validation means no control. Freedom starts with detachment. Quiet confidence is intimidating because it needs no approval. Your peace is your priority, not their opinions. Energy protection builds mental health. Not every battle matters. Strength is staying calm, even when provoked. Psychological control is invisible, but powerful in impact. They manipulate emotional, but cannot control silent. Boundaries create respect and emotional safety. Self-growth defeats dependency. Success speaks for itself. Quiet power wins battles without fighting. Silence is strength, and strength is freedom.